You can download the apps from Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first guys as usually and open Snapchat. Then when Snap is open and you go here on your profile and click open your profile. Then when you open your profile, go here in settings and click. Then you go down and go to apps from Snap and click. Then we found here all apps that is from Snap, and now you can download it like Bitmoji, Zenly, like whatever you want. And that's it guys. I hope that this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel in app, and see you next video.